right now. This is going to be a really quick initial video, so I hope you all enjoy it, and let's get started. So the hair that I'm wearing right now is from Vanlov hair. This is a virgin hair company. This is not an AliExpress vendor. They contacted me a while back, so I was supposed to do this hair review a really long time ago, but as y'all know, I was like very busy recently, so I've been trying to get all my hair reviews done since I have a lot more free time. Let me tell y'all more about the specs and the details of this hair. So I'm gonna be reading from my phone. So this is their Brazilian water curly hair in the lengths 22, 24, 26 and 28 with an 18-inch frontal. I decided to pick this hair because when I looked on their site and I saw the reviews for this, I was like, ooh, that hair is really bomb. And now I have it in real life and now I'm like, ooh, this hair is really bomb. So just to start off with the shipping and stuff, the shipment parcel came pretty fast. It was shipped through UPS and it came in this, and inside of this bag was the box. Vanlov hair box. I'm not really a fan of this box. Y'all know that I well, if you are a returning subscriber, y'all know that I like bags. So yeah, I'm probably not going to use this box because it takes up too much space. But inside of it, the bundles were in here, and they each came in one of these little packages. The packages had water curly, and then it had the length at the top right there, which is really cool when you're someone like me who makes wigs, so you got to know the different lengths. It was basically packaged very well, and it also came with some little cheap eyelashes like this. I guess they're kind of cute. I don't really wear eyelashes like this, but it's nice that they even thought about adding something like that. So the shipment came in about 4 days. It came pretty fast. Well, I would say they definitely have fast shipping, and they are on time and prompt with their responses, because every time I emailed them a question or responded to their emails, they email me back really fast. So I'm assuming if you have any problems or questions about their hair or your order, they'll probably get back to you in a reasonable time. That was that. So I did use all 4 bundles, and I constructed this unit myself. I did bleach and pluck my frontal, and I've had this on for a couple days now, so it's already lifting and stuff right there. I have some pictures of the styles that I've done to it, and I really do love this unit. I've been getting so many compliments too. Once I posted this picture on my Instagram, I had everybody hitting me up what's this hair company, what kind of hair is this, and I was just dang, let me just do this review so y'all could stop asking. But yeah, so this is really some bomb hair. So now I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like on me. So this is really it up close. It's kind of damp, but when it dries, it does get super duper big, and it goes all the way down to I want to say my hip. Maybe no, it goes past my hip, honestly. If I extend it, it goes by my booty cheek, y'all. Oh my god. And I am 5'6" and a half, or 5'6" or whatever. I want to say I'm 5'7", but I'm not. And yeah, this hair goes past my booty cheek when I stretch it, but it goes to my hip when I don't stretch it. But regardless, I love it, and it's so full and beautiful, and it's so soft, and it's amazing. I guess I'm just talking about the pros right now, because yes, yes. When I first put it in, and I sprayed it with water, it was so pretty. I didn't even put any product in it, and it was just beautiful. It was just way too big, so I had to put product in it because I do not like really big, poofy, curly hair. I like my curly hair to look tamed and defined, so I had to put some product in it. But I'm gonna turn around and show y'all what it looks like from the back. Can y'all see that? So this is what it's looking like in the back. For this video, I am putting all of the hair in the front, but I don't usually do that. I just like to do it to make the hair look bomb. So I really do like this hair. And since we're talking about the pros, I love that this frontal was very the lace was thin, because there's a difference between like a thick lace and a thin lace, and it was a lot easier for me to lay this frontal down to my head. And it was really easy for me to pluck and do everything to it. And like I said, I bleached it and plucked it, and I also tinted it so that it matched my skin color a little bit better. And I know y'all probably see this color difference. That's not makeup, that's a tan. This hair, I'm not gonna say it's lightweight, but it's pretty dense. But it's okay because it's 28 inches and I have in 4 bundles, so you know, it's kind of like, what do you expect? But yeah, like the ends are also full, if y'all can see that, and it's just pretty and beautiful. For the cons, I don't really have much to say. Like, I've only had this hair in for like 4 days, but it's been bomb thus far. It was really simple to construct the unit, and it was also simple to manipulate the frontal, so I have nothing bad to say about that. Tangling, haven't really had a lot of tangling, but I have had a lot of shedding. But I mean, this hair is 28 inches, and also I cut my wefts when I do construct my units, so I knew that there was going to be a lot of shedding. And also, like, I use this dimming brush like every day. So like today I styled my hair and the hair is still in here, so this is how much hair came out today when I styled it. And that's basically it. So I'm gonna just tell y'all what I did to get my curly hair like this. I do have my curly hair routine. I'll link it in the cards. If you are a returning subscriber and you watch all my hair reviews, y'all know I love this product. My Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curling Enhancing Smoothie. This stuff is the business for curly hair and wavy hair, or any hair that you want to look more defined and beautiful. And it also smells great. It's pricey, but I love this product. And all I literally do is just like I drenched my hair in cold water, and then I used a little cheap dimming brush to comb it out until there was like no kinks or nothing, and it was just smooth. Then I used a towel to make it damp, and then I just took this product and put it like all over. If y'all want to see exactly what I do, you can watch my curly hair routine, or if y'all want to see an updated one with this hair, I could do that. But the hair is bomb when it's defined. When it's not defined, like, it just depends on what you like. For maintenance, every night what I've been doing is just taking each side and splitting the hair into 2. And then I've just been doing French twists. If you don't know what that is, y'all might want to watch a tutorial on it, or I can make one on it. But that's what I've been doing. And then I wrap my the perimeter of my hair with the scarf, and I just put on one huge bonnet, and then I wake up and just do my curly hair routine and go on with my day. Honestly, truly give this hair like a 9 out of 10. Definitely love this hair. This company is bomb. If y'all want to see more videos with this hair or on this hair, comment down below. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big giant thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.